Hi, my name is Ray Johnson, and I'm the Data Management Practice Lead at SPR Consulting. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the 6 winning strategies related to implementing predictive analytics. Step 1, data. Don't be afraid to include more than one type of data source in your predictive analytics solution. And in fact, the more data you have, the better off you'll be, because it'll allow you to have a larger sample set that can cover all possible outcomes, or most outcomes, within the predictive model that you're trying to develop. 2, data wrangling. Now I know that sounds like a strange term, but that's something that you're going to have to do. You're going to spend a lot of time pulling data together, reclassifying it, recoding it, cleaning it, understanding how to deal with missing values, and so on. Don't be afraid to address this situation, because it's going to be of paramount importance. If you do not spend enough time working on cleaning your data, you can actually come up with irrelevant or results that aren't really accurate. When building your predictive model, make sure you have an understanding of the classification or the class of problems that you're trying to address. That specific class of problem, whether it may be you're trying to determine whether or not you want to predict a specific outcome or classify a specific group of data, is going to determine what specific model that you may want to use. Also, you may need to use multiple models in order to see which model itself has the best potential outcome. 4, after building your model and running it against test data, you need to validate that model's results in order to determine whether or not it's meeting your expectations. This includes cross-validation. For example, if you selected multiple models that you're trying to validate, maybe the decision tree provided better results than maybe a support vector machine. But in either case, you need to go through that whole process of ensuring that that model is providing you potentially the best possible results that you can get. You need to make sure that the results that you provide are actionable by the business. One of the things that occurs is that a lot of times these models get produced and then results get generated, and then they're dropped off on somebody's desk and everybody says, okay, bye, I'm gone. But what you need to do is you need to collaborate with the business, which means that not only are you going to have IT involved, you're going to have the business involved, you're going to have data scientists involved, which means that you're going to have a much more collaborative environment in order to get this done and to ensure that the results that you provide allow the business users to make actionable decisions. Over time, you may have to revisit your model, and that's due to changes maybe in the specific outcomes you're looking for. It may be due to changes in your business requirements. It could be a change in the performance of the overall model. But what that means is, as a business user or as a data scientist, you're going to have to go back and reevaluate these models on a regular basis. It's up to you to determine, based on these characteristics of maybe market conditions or requirements, how often and how frequently you do that. But keep in mind that you must do this on a regular basis to ensure that the models that you've produced are meeting your specific business needs. Predictive analytics is just more than data and models. Predictive analytics also is going to require a cultural change within your organization. And that may mean a more collaborative organization where people are now more empowered to make decisions regarding the results that they receive. So if you follow these 6 steps above, that'll give you a great foundation for winning with predictive analytics. For more information related to predictive analytics or any other strategies related to data, please visit spr.com. Thank you.